How to open an account with HANDELSBANKEN. So look into the types of account offered by HANDELSBANKEN and choose the one that best fits your needs. Collect necessary documents such as proof of identity. Decide whether you want to apply online or visit a HANDELSBANKEN branch in person. If you want to apply online, fill out the online application form on the HANDELSBANKEN website, providing personal details and uploading required documents. HANDELSBANKEN will review your application and verify your information. This may take some time. Once approved, HANDELSBANKEN will provide you with your account details, including your account number and any other details. Follow any instructions provided by HANDELSBANKEN. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.